Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get regular update for my new videos. Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my second video on Valentine Day Nail Art design. In the previous video, we talked about how to make very easy and simple roses on your nail art design. But still, if you have trouble with it, you can go with a second option. And the second option is, of course, stamping. So today we are going for a reverse rose nail art stamping and we are going to fill in some colors to give it a bright and attractive look. Wish you a happy Valentine Day and let's start with our video.
I'm using Essence brand base coat. It's an important part, guys. If you go for nail art design or nail polish, just don't miss this step. The next polish I'm using is by Faces. It's a black polish. It's always good to go for a perfect opacity because if you don't apply that much polish that covers your nail, then your design won't stand out. So whatever polish you get on your skin, you can remove it with the help of a brush and some acetone. Once our polish is completely dry, we are going to do some stamping. The plate I am using is this and the design is this. So for Valentine Day, we are going to use a rose design and the polish I am using is by Nykaa in shade Sunkissed Gold. It's a beautiful gold color and the other one is by Born Pretty in gold color. Just apply both the polishes in random position. So now to mix both of the color, we are going to scrape a lot of time so that they mix perfectly and give a proper and perfect golden bright shade. Now just pick up the design with your stamper. See, it's a beautiful design. You can stamp this also, but today we are going for a reverse stamping, so we are going to fill in some color. The first color I'm using is this. Just drop some color and with the help of a brush, cover the boundaries. Guys, these are not just simple nail polish. These are non-color polishes, so they are not just going to glow in day, but they are also going to give a beautiful shine in night time. Third color is blue. So guys, for reverse stamping you have to keep only one thing in mind, which is very important, that the color you fill in give a opaque look. For that you are just going to need a single or maybe two coats of it, because if it's not that opaque, the design won't stand out. It's a beautiful green color. Once the polish is dry, apply a single coat of a top coat and leave it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, guys, peel this design with the help of a tweezer, but be gentle. And your reverse stamping design is ready. Now apply a top coat on your nail. Just pick up the design and place it over your nail. Press it with your finger. Make sure that it sticks to your nail. So whatever design is extra, you can file it easily with the help of a nail filer. You can also do it with acetone, but it's going to take a lot of time. So I'm just going to file it. My filing is done. So here I can't file. I'm going to use some acetone on it. So this design is done. Same way I'm going to stamp on all my nail apart from my ring finger, and I will be back once it's done. On my ring finger, I have applied a base coat and 2 coats of black polish, and they both are completely dry. Now I'm going to move to stamping. This is the design I'm using because it's Valentine Day, so I'm using a love stamping plate. So for stamping, I'm using the same colors. To mix them, we are going to scrape them a lot of time, guys. But they really give a nice golden look on your nail. And I'm using the see-through stamper because you can see where and how you want to place your design. Guys, this is one of the best stamper I have. We are done with it. So this is a complete look. Now I'm going to apply a top coat because we all want our design to last longer, so we need to apply a top coat.
So guys, we are done with our second day Valentine Day Nail Art design, and I thought why not to give you a final look how this nail art design is going to look. This looks beautiful.
If you do this nail art design, please don't forget to share the picture with me. If you have any question, guys, just write them in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe.